here we are, the jerk burger with a side of coleslaw and Cajun fried and onion rings. Joshua got the same thing, and Candy got the chicken burger and the hummingbird drink, and I have the dirty banana drink. Yes, Beaches meal time. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And I promise you guys, with so many different dishes, so many options as to what to eat available at our fingertips, it was hard to not just want to stay there the whole time and stuff our faces. But no, we decided to go pay a visit to Beaches sales manager Ruth Garnet and talk with her a little bit about Beaches and the whole vibe of the hotel. And guess what? She gave us a tour, guys, and so it was awesome spending time and talking with Ruth. So we're hanging out with Ruth Garnet, which is the sales manager at Beaches Ocho Rios. Say hello to Yardie Belly TV.
Hey, Yardie Belly TV, cool. Welcome to my beautiful resort.
Yes, it is.
Make it down in person.
Yes, because foreign cool.
I heard.
And this is all that you're missing, guys. I promise you. This is all that you are missing. It is so beautiful. Yep, yep, yep. And what a tour it was. The place is just awesome. The property is very spacious. You have the option of playing in the ocean or hanging out at the water park. The rooms are beautifully decorated, and it's just a peaceful, tranquil environment. Of course, it was awesome being there. Which would be the next door thing that we spoke about. We're going to the East Beach now. East Beach. Beautiful, beautiful. For me, the best thing about being in Jamaica is being able to just take in the ocean, just to see the Caribbean Sea, to feel that breeze, and just to hear the water hitting on the shores. Of course, you know, I had to go experience it for myself. All right, Ruth, thank you so much for the tour, but now it's time for me to dip into the waters of the Caribbean Sea.
Go and check how nice the Jamaica water is. Jamaica, it's no seaweeds and stuff.
My, how time flies when you're having fun. From the ocean, we went to the water park, and it was just fun after fun. Of course, you know, I didn't get a chance to record everything. The pool was awesome, and Joshua wouldn't leave. And so the ocean for me was great, but Joshua was 100% smitten with the pool. Can you believe it? Watch the boy. There goes Joshua. Joshua is in the pool.
I thought you said you were swimming.
I am. I soon come. I'm gonna get in right now. Alright, babe. He's so stupid. Hey, wave. Second meal for the day. And we're doing, let me see, some jerk chicken mixed with jerk pork, jerk chicken and salad, hot dogs over there. We got cocktail patties and tortilla chips, and we're right by the pool, and we are just loving it. It's just awesome. Yep. So guys, I'm not stay with them because I eating time. See it. Eating time, I say eating time. Lord of God, I say eating time. Eating time, I say eating time. Lord of God, I say eating time. Alright, me done eating. So with our bellies stuffed to capacity, we slowly, gingerly made our way to the front of the property where the Sesame Street parade is about to start, guys. I love walking on the lawns here at Beaches. I love the water fountain. I love how green and pretty everything is, and the nice breeze that just accompanies everything here. Boy, I don't want to leave. I promise you, I don't want to leave. I want to stay. Hey, say hello.
Oh.
Both of you. Joshua, do the shoulder for your fling. Crazy. So the party and the parade went on all the way into the evening, and before we knew it, it was time for us to consider going home, making our way back to Kingston. This was cruel. This was hard. I promise you guys, because we want to stay. We wish we were at Beaches for the whole entire weekend. Hell, we wish we were there for the whole entire week, just to stay in the pool or to lounge by the poolside on one of those pool chairs. I promise you, if I had the chance to sleep on the beach, that would have been my dream come true. Beaches takes care of every aspect of your needs while you're here. They cater to the whole entire vacation. Whatever you need, it is there at your fingertips. That's the definition of all-inclusive in my book. I wish we could have stayed, but all good things must come to an end. And so we started making our way back to the dining room. Tonight, I believe, they said it was Italian night. And so obviously we were gonna make use of our Italian palate. Yes, we're going to get something to eat, get some food in our system, and then consider making the long trek back to Kingston. Pastries, breads, vegetables, condiments, pasta, whatever it is that you think you need, it is here. All-inclusive means whatever you need, it is here. It is an amazing, amazing dinner service here. The staff is friendly. They try to make sure that whatever it is that you want, they can assist you with. And you are lacking for nothing when you're here at Beaches. Our dinner was awesome. We took the time to just sit and bond as a family and eat as much as we could, because of course we weren't gonna get this where we were going back in Kingston.
Bottle display, okay? So I'm just gonna get some garlic, add it to it. Alright.
White sauce right here. We got white sauce right here. We got spaghetti and marinara sauce right here. And we got spaghetti red sauce. Let's play it right here. Okay?
Place of here, sir. Just show a little thing, you know? Show a little thing. Yeah, man.
They're not charging you to show it.
Blessings, blessings.
I'm just here in New Orleans, Turkey, and we have one more here to do more. All right. And we have one more right here. This is the best turkey in Jamaica. Serving the best. You, sir? You should try. Get a plate and come on. Okay?
It was such a lovely time. I really and truly enjoyed my time at Beaches. It was the highlight of my Jamaica trip. And I want to thank all the staff that really, gave us such a wonderful time here. The management, the managing director, Mr. Roper, want to say thank you, sir. We want to thank the sales manager, Miss Garnet, and all the other persons that we met and laughed with and have fun on the way all day throughout our little time at Beaches. We look forward to coming back and spending as much more time as we possibly can. It's a great, great place, and if you are considering visiting Jamaica, let me be the first to recommend you to Beaches Ocho Rios. Have fun, guys, and make sure you try the turkey. Of course, the best turkey in Jamaica. See you soon. Yardie Belly, Jamaica Vlogs. Peace out. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, and check my description box for ways in which we can interact more on different social media platforms. Have yourself an awesome time. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. My day with me and the fam bam at Beaches in beautiful Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Awesome place. Awesome time. Only problem, it was too